Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to hide an individual song from your Spotify Wrapped playlist. So, as you can see right now I'm on my home screen and this is where your Spotify Wrapped playlist should be, but mine is not here, so we're going to look at the four icons at the bottom of the screen right now, and there's a home, a search, your library, and a premium icon. We're going to click on the search icon, and right under the search bar, there's Browse All, and right under Browse All, there's 2022 Wrapped. We're gonna click on that, and this will take us to the best artists, the best songs, the best groups, etc., etc. So let's just say we pick the top virtual hits of 2022. We're gonna click on this. It's loading. Okay, let's pick another one. Okay, this one. And let's just say you have a song that you don't like. Let's pick this one, Celoso by Lele Pons. On the right of the song, there's three dots, and all you have to do is click on the second option that says hide song. So if you don't want to listen to the song and you like the whole playlist, you can just pick the individual song and click the hide song option. And now when you listen to the playlist, you won't hear that song. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.